Hey guys, my name is Carlos Mendez and I'm a 3D artist using SOLIDWORKS Visualize. Today in Quick Tips, I'm going to be showing you how to use the render region. Well, the render region is a feature inside Visualize that allows you to render only partially what you see on the camera. This is helpful because it saves quite a bit of time and it kind of makes sense when there's an update to the rendering that is very small and you have very little time to do it. So I will show you how to do that with these two pillows. Say an art director likes the way you compose this image, but wants you to change those pillows to this particular material. So I'll show you how to do that right here by dragging these in. All right, we're going to copy them on both. All right, beautiful. That's exactly what he wanted. So instead of having to re-render these, all you would have to go is into cameras. You click on cameras and go into advanced, and then there's the tab enable render region. This kind of shows you this mask. So all we got to do is crop into the portion that changed. Give it a few pixels on both X and Y, because there's always light that bounces and changes the color of the surroundings. But just give it a little bit. So that's about right. I'm gonna lock the region, and then I'm gonna go into Output Tools and make sure that everything is exactly like I want it. Make sure it's a PNG or a TIFF, and that they include alpha. For everything else, it should be just like the base render. Now, I already did the base render earlier, so I would save time and not have to render it while I'm on camera, while I'm recording my screen. And it took 1 minute and 5 seconds. Okay, so when I go back to here, I'm going to render this out now. All right, 1,000 passes, that's great. I already rendered this, so I wouldn't have to do it on camera as well. So I'm going to say close, and you would render that, and then we could switch to Photoshop again. And I'm just going to drop the render region, and it perfectly fits. And that's the great thing about this tool. This portion that was rendered right now, let me isolate it so you can see it's only this part, just like we selected on Visualize. Took 15 seconds. So that's like 1/5 of how long it took to render everything else. So you can extrapolate how much time you could save if what you're rendering is a part or a mesh that has, like 1,000 parts with 1,000 materials. You could really save hours to potentially days. All right, guys, hopefully this is very helpful to you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon.